How to sign out of a Google account. If you are trying to sign out of a Google account, what we have to do over here is we're talking in the context of Android devices, and it might also work for iPhones. Now on Android device, if you have a Google account logged in, you want to sign out of that Google account. It just means that you want to remove that Google account from your Android phone. So tap on a Google profile logo from the top right hand side, tap the drop down menu and you will see a couple of Google accounts here. You'll find an option called manage accounts on this device, so just tap on that particular option and you'll land on this page. Here you'll find a list of Google accounts that you've added to your Google app or also your device. So you can select a certain Google account that you want to remove, then tap the remove account button, then tap on remove from the bottom to remove it. This way you can sign out of a Google account. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.